Namaste. This video is for those who are battling with COVID-19 and struggling to clear their lungs from mucus. So very simple that exercise is there, breathing exercise is there, which can clean your lungs from and make it free from mucus. It's very simple. What you need to do, you need to inhale, exhale with the sound of ha. Inhale, inhale, exhale with sound of ha. If possible, then you can contract your tummy and exhale. That impact will be little bit more stronger. So it would be inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. This you need to do for almost 5 times. COVID patients, they are weak, they are feeling very weak this time, so only they can try for 5. And this you can do once you finish 5, then you can do it, take some rest, and after that then again 5 or 3 times, then take rest, then again 5 to 3 times. And you can do morning and evening, or you can just check with your doctor, and if they allow you, you can do little more also. So I hope this might help you. Thank you.